back to the Wright's cooking channel. Today we're going to cook marinated pork chops for you, Caribbean style. So let's get started on it, guys.
This is our jerk marinade sauce, and we poured all the contents from this in the bowl, and on the back of the package it tells you how to make it. All you gotta do is just add 1/2 cup of orange juice, and that's what we're gonna do now. Now we're gonna add our orange juice. And now we're going to give it a stir. And you're going to stir it until all the seasoning is dissolved with the orange juice. Now we're going to season our pork chop with a little salt-free seasoning. Now we're going to add browning. Add browning to our meat to give it a little darker color. Now we're going to add our marinade seasoning. Now we're just going to mix this all up. Now that our pork chops are in our marinade, we're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to come back and bake it in the oven. So with the marinade, you just follow the directions on the back of the package and do everything it tells you to do. And then you just marinate it for 30 minutes. The only thing extra we did was add browning and a little salt-free seasoning to it. Okay? We'll be back.
Okay, guys, now that our pork chops are marinated, we're going to add them to the pan. We marinate it for 30 minutes, but if you want to marinate it for 2 hours, the longer it stays, the more it's soaked for you guys. So let's add them to the pan. Just gonna add the juice in over it. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. And now we're gonna add it to the oven. The oven is already preheated
to 350. And we'll be back when it's ready.
Alright, now we check on our meat and it needs to be flipped over. So I'm just gonna flip them over and add them back to the oven. Okay guys, now that our meat is ready, we're just gonna dish
This is
it
our
up.
marinated pork chops. And it looks really good. It has a great flavor, great smell, everything. Thank you guys for visiting Wright's cooking channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment on our video and subscribe. We appreciate you. Thank you.